Back in 1981, Midori shared in print a recipe for the Midori Colada. The drink featured Midori Melon Liqueur, rum, and Piña Colada mix. Later, they would share a recipe that called for Midori, cream of coconut, pineapple juice, and Colada mix with no rum. I don't know exactly what Colada mix is or was, and I don't care or need to know. And I don't necessarily feel the need to recreate this original drink, but the idea of it is pretty cool. And I think we can make one that is much better, but also true to form of that original one. You will need Midori for this, which is a melon liqueur, and I don't know of any other melon liqueurs, so I have no idea about substitutions here. Other than the bottle of Midori, we're not going to get too inventive here, but I'm ditching the rum for a Brazilian rum, a cachaça, which I think will pair nicely with the Midori. This is a blender drink, and I'm going to use my little NutriBullet, and I gotta tell you, I can't stand how these containers change color over time. I thought it was my dishwasher, and then I found out it wasn't. It's acidity. Look at this one right here. This is one I had super juice sitting in for a couple hours. So if you want to keep these clean, don't let acidic things sit in them for a long amount of time. And speaking of acidic things, we're going to start with 1/2 ounce of lime juice, 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice, 1.5 ounces of coconut milk, 3/4 ounces of cachaça, 2 ounces of Midori, and I'm going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum, which is going to help keep it stabilized and emulsified throughout our drinking experience. I have this sneaking suspicion this is not going to be green enough for what I'm looking for, so just in case. And yeah, I'm not worried about putting food coloring in. I'm drinking Midori. We'll dry blend this first with everything but the ice to get that xanthan gum incorporated. Now I'm going to add 1.5 cups of nugget ice. So there you go, the Midori Colada. All right, let's try a Midori Colada. Cheers. It's excellent. It's strangely only mildly Midori. There's just like a little bit of the melon. I still get the cachaça. That might be the first flavor I get is cachaça. And you might be thinking, okay, 2 full ounces of Midori, that's got to be too sweet, but it's not. I'm no dummy. I took the Garrett Richard Piña Colada. I ran the numbers on that. I got the ABV. I got the Brix. That's the percent sugar by weight. And then I converted that to this recipe. They're identical sweetness. That's why I use coconut milk and not a coconut cream. If anything, I think there might need to be a touch more sweetness for most people. I like it as is. I like sometimes getting a Piña Colada that's not too sweet. But strangely, I think some people are going to find this too dry, the Piña Colada. And then the Midori there, it didn't give the green color I wanted, so I added a couple drops of food coloring there just to make it green. It's got the flavor of Midori without being too sweet, which is usually what happens if you've ever had a Midori cocktail. You also could have done an acid-adjusted pineapple juice and all that, but I thought, hey, limes are green, so I'll just put it in here. You can still get a little, I wouldn't say you can taste lime flavor, but there's a little bit of acidity coming from the lime juice in combination with the pineapple juice. So, is it the world's greatest Piña Colada riff? I don't think so. I think I like that other one better, the Garrett Richard one, because it just, I think all together is more well-rounded. But I do like the combination here, that flavor combo of the Midori with some cachaça. It works well together. It really helps lighten out the overly sweetness of it, and it creates surprisingly a well-balanced Piña Colada riff. So it's not the original one, just one I came up with. But if you're gonna have a Midori Colada, I would say start with this one first. So that's it for this one, the Midori Colada. I didn't really have this one in my lineup for this year. But hey, things come up, you find something online, you see an ad, you got to try it. So if you haven't tried it, I don't want to tell you to go get a bottle of Midori, but maybe in the future we'll use more of that bottle for other things that might be fun. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like below. Consider subscribing if you want to support this channel more. You can check out my Patreon page. Otherwise, I will see you on the next one.